How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's video we'll take a look at GNUS, James Bryant International. Good news on it, great news on it tomorrow even. Before we get into it, I do want to say, if you guys are in the Patreon, I do apologize. The server was down literally until 9:28 or even 9. I couldn't get in, and luckily we got in right at the market open, and we had some nice calls out there. A great call on GNUS as the day planned out. We took a look at it. I said for the break of 165 and hold levels, it's a good trade, and especially great trade if you're going to look to hold it tomorrow. High of the day was up there at 192, currently at 87 cents. VWAP's at 178, which is really good. We do have some good support at 180 as well, and then it even has 175 and 170. It has, if you guys know GNUS in the past, taking the 1 year chart, it is fairly it's a mover at times, and then recently has been a slow mover just because the overall volume and hype has really died down. It went from 32 cents to 11.73 in a short amount of time, just over a month. A lot of profit to be made. It had a good quarter, -23, a terrible quarter, -488, and a great quarter, negative, just a penny negative, and that was 11-16. So we are in a great uptrend, but right now we finally broke out of that 160 level. The next level to break is the $2 on the dot, and then as well we do have some more at 270 as the rest of the way up, of course. More at 215. So look how good this chart looks. We broke out, like I said, we broke out of that 158.60 level that we've been hitting, and look at this. The past couple days here, broke out of it. This candle wasn't good, I'll be honest with you. I thought we were gonna pull one of these, and basically we kind of did, but it was a short term and plus the news, and we came down great to our support at the 149 level, and we saw a push up, breaking even more levels. So obviously tomorrow. Oh, hey guys, well, isn't that funny? All right, guys, this is Maple the Golden Doodle. You guys subscribe to this great channel, really cute dog. But back to stocks here. I wanted to show you the news. So the 12H8, James Bryant International, so all LG TVs are going to be coming with or offer app of the Genius brand, which is great. You guys know, obviously, if you guys are investing in it, you know what they do. But tomorrow, on the 15th, there is an investor conference, and they're pretty big. They're going to be announcing their Shaq's Garage, hosted by, nonetheless, Shaq O'Neal. So that's obviously very good for the company, and obviously, he's not gonna be like, oh my gosh, Shaq's on it, so stock's gonna go back to $10. No, it's just the point of the matter. You got Big Shaq. You on the screen now with his cartoon. You have Stanley's Superhero Kindergarten. You have the CEO Andy is well known for selling his companies. There's just so much volatility can be happening with GNUS, and I really do expect it coming in the future. So we'll have to hold the levels here, and I really don't want to see anything under 2 tomorrow. I want to wake up. I want it to be at 225 and then skyrocket to 3 or 4. That's my PT for tomorrow. The rest of the week, if everything goes good and we don't get too overhyped like we did, I take you back to the 1 year chart. This pump up, if you guys aren't familiar, this pump up was just on news saying that on the July 15th, I'm pretty sure, maybe it was July 2nd here, or June 15th. It was something that they were going to actually, launch the program or the channel, and it went from 3 to 5. So obviously, that is a huge move, but I was expecting this, and many other people were expecting this to go back to $11. That obviously did not happen, but with the overall price, it's only up 23 cents. Still fairly good, 15%. That is not overly hyped. Like if it went up $1 today, yeah, I would expect a little pullback and then a rip. But we're holding levels pretty good. I would have liked it to break out of a new high after hours here, but we'll save it for pre-market tomorrow. This is number 1 going to be on my watch list. I appreciate. Well, actually, we are kind of forming a pennant right now. Let me switch to my trend line so I can show you. So a pennant is a bearish pennant, or I'm sorry, a bullish pennant, what am I saying, is a high and a couple resistance, but the low is also going up as well. So there's your pennant, and then there's obviously the pole. If you guys want a chart breakdown of like just normal charts, let me know and I'll make the video. I enjoy making these videos for you guys. Alright guys, so like I said, we did call this in the Patreon at 147, and just even today you could have got in at 165 all the way up to 192. So go make sure you guys join the Patreon, link in the description. With that, you go to the $3 tier, you get the access to the private Discord and a daily watch list. The $5 tier, you get, like, if you guys wanted a video on GN yesterday, I would have made it for you, and if I was already making it, you get to pick another stock. It's just how it works in there. And like I said, that's only $5. So click the link in the description. I appreciate you guys watching. Even if you guys are watching, just from strictly YouTube, I appreciate every single one of you. And I never got to say thank you for 2,700 subscribers. It means the absolute world. I want 3,000 by the end of the year. I think we can do it the way the things are shaping up. We'll try to see if we can hit it maybe first week of January. That would be okay too. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give it a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Top of the watch list. Remember, GNUS.